Hello everyone, welcome to our subject Financial Management. Myself Dr. Jyoti D. Gulwani. Our today's section of learning is Finance Function, or it is also known as Finance Decisions. That is how actually finance is working in the company. Basically, there are three types of decisions related to finance. Number one, investment decision. Number two, financing decision. Number three, dividend decision. Before going into detail, let us take firstly brief introduction related to finance function. Investment decision is basically related to taking decision related to investment. There are two types of investment, long-term investment and short-term investment. Long-term investment is known as capital budgeting. Capital budgeting, that is, if company wants to invest into other company's product, or they want to launch a new product or expansion or mergers, etc. If company is going to invest for longer period of time, then it is considered as capital budgeting. If company is going to take short-term decisions, then companies are investing into current assets. So, in investment decision, shortly, company has to take decision related to long-term and short-term requirements of the firm. Then, in number two, financing decision, here company has to take decision related to equity and debt. That is, how much amount is going to be invested into equity and how much amount is going to be invested in debt. Equity, that is owner's money of the shareholders, money of the directors, money of the chairperson. That total is known as equity. Debt means loan which is taken from outside sources. So what combination will be here with equity and debt is to be understood over here. Number three is dividend decision. Every company is earning profit. So how much profit company is going to keep with themselves and how much amount they are going to give to their shareholders is to be discussed over here. So in investment decision, capital budgeting decision and short-term money decisions, which are known as working capital, are going to be discussed over here. In financing decision related to equity and debt, and in dividend decision, profit which is going to be kept within the company and profit which is going to distributed to shareholders will be learned over here. So let us start firstly with the decision number one, which is investment decision. As said earlier, investment decision relates to selection of assets in which funds will be invested by a firm. That is, either they want to invest in long term or they want to invest in short term. It is to be decided first. If company is going to invest their money into long term assets, then it is known as capital budgeting. And if they are taking decision related to short term, then it is known as working capital management. Let us firstly understand what is capital budgeting. As said earlier, long-term money decisions are known as capital budgeting. While company is taking long-term decision, so firstly they have to measure the worth of the proposal. That is, they have to check the total amount of the project which they have to invest. Number two, when they are taking decision related to long term, they have to check the risk associated with it. Risk is associated with the profit, risk is associated with the competitors, it is associated with the customers also. So total amount is to be checked by them. With that, they have to check the risk also. And lastly, they have to see the cost of capital. Cost of capital is known as rate of return. It is also known as discounted factor. Means how much amount is going to be earned by the company. So in capital budgeting decision, 3 points are considered by the firm. the worth, that is total amount of the project, then the risk which is associated with the company, as well as return which company can earn by investing in this proposal. So this is whole about capital budgeting. When they are thinking about the working capital that is daily amount which is required for the firm in daily routine transaction. In this working capital requirement, they have to firstly understand the difference between profitability and liquidity. Profitability, that is profit which is earned by the company after selling the products. Liquidity means daily cash amount available on hand with the company. Suppose if daily breakfast is provided by the company to their laborers, to their managers, or to all the staff, then there is a requirement of cash. If that cash is available with the firm, that is known as liquidity. If daily wages are paid to the laborers and if that cash is available with the firm, then that is known as liquidity. So firstly, there is a vast difference between profitability and liquidity. And if company is going to manage their working capital, then firstly they have to distinguish between this profitability and liquidity. Then they have to also find out that in funds they want to invest. If we are talking about the working capital, then short term money is basically invested into current assets only. Current assets means money is to be blockaged into debtors, into bills receivable, as well as into stock. So they have to take decision how much amount will be blocked in this current assets. So in short, in this working capital management, they have to arrange the short term money. They have to take the short term decisions related to current assets only, and that current assets can bring liquidity into the firm. It is also to be managed by the firm. How management of working capital can be done? So it can be done with the asset management of current assets only, and that current assets are cash, receivables and inventory, as well as they have to overview requirement of working capital. So this is what all about investment decision only. Again, giving a brief overview of the investment decision. If company want to take investment decision, then they have to take decision related to long term and short term. If company is taking decisions related to long term, then it is known as capital budgeting, and if they are going with the short term, then it is known as working capital management. In working capital management, they have to check the cost, risk, as well as return associated with the long term decision. If company is going with the working capital, then properly they have to give the difference between profitability and liquidity, as well as they have to firstly decide in which current assets basically company wants to invest, and they have to take the current assets which gives profitability and liquidity for the longer period of time. How they can manage the working capital? So they can manage their current assets efficiently into cash, receivables and inventory, as well as they have to take the idea exactly how much short term amount is required in company. So this is only about investment decision. Later on, two decisions, that is finance decision and dividend decision, will be explained in part number 2. So stay tuned till next part. Till then, goodbye.